Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and there was another update also for Microsoft Edge, and I guess they follow the bug fixes. If you know, Google Chrome has certain bug fixes, well, sometimes the Microsoft Edge browser will also have the bug fixes. It doesn't, have to do with only with the security updates. They are sharing the same Chromium base, so normally when one gets updates, there's a good chance the other one can get updates, even though Chrome and Edge could have their own bug fixes for their own, interface and the way that it's actually done. So there was a Microsoft Edge update, and of course, if you go on the upper right corner in the three horizontal dots, go into Help and Feedback about Microsoft Edge. You will be moved on to 110.0.1587.49. That is the latest Microsoft Edge update. And if we look at what they say it's actually giving up, well, the latest stable channel update for Edge, which was issued yesterday, February the 16th, 2023, fixed various bugs and performance issues for stable and extended stable release. So that means that it's really just performance and bug fixes, probably some similar to Google Chrome, as I was saying. If you had some issues, if you had some weird things happening, this could be worth actually doing. I do have one, not on the, I haven't tried on the Edge stable, but on the dev channel, I do have one weird thing. When I go to YouTube Studio in YouTube, it's so weird the way that the transition happens. There's like the screen flashes several times before it actually goes there. It's kind of a very weird experience. So I haven't tried the stable Edge. I don't know if it does it in Edge stable version, but it does in the dev anyways. So anyways, if you had some issues or if you had something, you can do an update. If you're not using Edge, it's not very important to update since this does not contain any security fixes. So there's no big rush to actually fix or update the browser. And for those that use Edge, well, it should update itself anyways if you don't do anything. So Microsoft Edge version 101, yeah, that's the version. Version 110.0.1587.49 is now released with bug fixes and performance issues. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.